Looking for the best elliptical trainers? Whether you're aiming to boost cardiovascular fitness, burn calories, or enjoy a low-impact full-body workout, the right elliptical machine makes all the difference. From compact home models to gym-level powerhouses, the best elliptical trainers offer smooth motion, adjustable resistance, and features that suit your fitness goals. Starting at number 1. Niceday Elliptical Machine. The Niceday Elliptical Exercise Machine boasts innovative precision track calibration technology, which ensures an ultra-smooth elliptical motion. This machine features a natural stride length of 15.5 inches, specifically designed to minimize knee pressure. This thoughtful design provides a comfortable and smooth workout experience for users who are up to 6 feet tall, making it an excellent choice for a variety of individuals seeking effective cardiovascular exercise. One of the standout features of the Niceday Elliptical is its ultra-quiet magnetic drive system. This advanced system ensures that your workout remains exceptionally quiet, offering an experience much quieter than normal breathing. This is particularly advantageous for those who prefer to exercise early in the morning or late at night, as it allows you to work out without disturbing neighbors or family members. This means you can focus on your fitness goals without outside distractions, providing a serene workout environment. Number 2. UMAY Elliptical Exercise Machine. Experience the natural, fluid motion of our elliptical exercise machine's impressive 15.5-inch optimal stride length, designed to enhance your workout by closely mimicking the body's natural gait. This meticulous calibration provides low-impact aerobic exercise that minimizes joint stress, making it gentle on the knees and hips, ideal for users who may have existing concerns or those seeking to prevent future injuries. The elliptical is not just for one type of user, it is suitable for individuals up to 6 feet 4 inches, meaning that it comfortably accommodates family members of varying heights, allowing everyone in your household to enjoy effective workouts tailored to their needs. At the heart of our elliptical machine lies a high-performance, ultra-quiet magnetic motor, which is specifically engineered to significantly reduce operational noise at its source. Number 3. 3G Cardio Elite EMX Elliptical Trainer Machine. The Elite EMX Elliptical Trainer by 3G Cardio is a high-quality fitness equipment designed for a superior workout experience. It comes in a sleek black color and features sturdy construction with materials like metal and plastic. With dimensions of 66 inches in depth, 29.5 inches in width, and 65 inches in height, it is compact yet robust. This elliptical trainer includes a USB charging port for tablets and mobile devices, along with a convenient tablet shelf. It offers advanced features such as FreeSync FTMS HD smart connectivity and a non-coded wireless heart rate strap for enhanced fitness tracking. Its patented rollerless design provides a 3-level adjustable stride length, 18-inch for walking, 20 for jogging, and 23 for running, to suit different workout intensities. Built with commercial-grade construction, it boasts a 2-stage drive system with a poly V-belt and 32 levels of silent magnetic resistance, ensuring smooth performance. Number 4. Hypersilent Magnetic Elliptical Machine. Say goodbye to noisy workouts. Equipped with an ultra-quiet magnetic drive system, this elliptical machine is designed to deliver a workout experience that won't disrupt those around you. Whether you're an early bird looking to start your day with energy or prefer late-night sessions to unwind, the silent operation feature ensures that you can focus entirely on your fitness objectives without any disturbances. 15.5-inch optimal stride length. Experience the natural and fluid motion of our elliptical exercise machine's meticulously calibrated 15.5-inch optimal stride length. This specific stride length is designed to closely mimic the body's natural gait, providing low-impact aerobic exercise that helps to significantly reduce joint stress. The gentle movement is particularly beneficial for your knees and hips, making it suitable for a wide range of users. The machine can comfortably accommodate individuals of varying heights, up to 6 feet 4 inches, ensuring that all family members can enjoy an effective workout without discomfort. Number 5. PUBU Elliptical Exercise Machine. The PUBU E399 elliptical trainer is engineered to provide a seamless and effective workout experience, embodying a light commercial quality that is perfect for both personal and professional use. This elliptical machine is constructed with a robust reinforced steel frame that not only ensures longevity but also provides users with exceptional stability during even the most intense workout sessions. Designed for user comfort, the E399 features a smooth operation that minimizes impact on joints, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking to engage in total body workouts without the risk of injury. The elliptical is capable of supporting users weighing up to 350 pounds, which makes it suitable for a wide range of body types and fitness levels, accommodating those who require a durable machine for consistent high-performance use in both home settings and fitness studios. That wraps up my top picks for the best elliptical trainers you can buy in 2026. Whether you went for the premium Nordic track with the huge screen or the budget-friendly Schwinn that gets the job done, you're making an investment in your health, and that's always worth it. I've linked every single machine with current prices and specs in the description below. If this video helped you make a decision, smash that like button and subscribe for more fitness reviews. Now go crush your workout, and I'll see you in the next one.